the logical conclusion. Waziri wetu Aisha Jumwa, relax. The government of the Republic of Kenya under the very able leadership of President William Ruto is one and is solid and very stable. And there can never be any division or any conflict. That is a creation of people who are still living in denial. There are many people who give President William Ruto no chance. They are now envious that he is succeeding. He has become a darling of the international community. He is progressing on the economic transformation of this republic. So they want to imagine that there can be a problem. There will be none. The president and I are joined together at the hip under an ideology. And the president and I are together because we share an ideology, the bottom-up economic transformation agenda for the people of this country. President William Ruto and I have been friends for over 20 years. Our friendship surpasses the presidency. So tungetaka kuambia mrelax, wale wanaandika, wachana na hiyo watu. Kazi inaendelea, tumeamkia National Security Council, tumepanga maneno ya Kenya. Jana nimefanya baraza la mawaziri, leo rais amekuja, amepitisha ile maneno nimepitisha jana. Kesho mimi nitawakilisha yeye pande ya Uhuru, kesho kutwa nimwakilishe Narok, yeye atakuwa kwa defense aelekee China, aniwachie nishikilie mpaka arudi. Si mnataka nishikilie? Unajua kuna siku tulikuwa tumeenda sote wawili tukaona watu wameanza kukosa adabu. Sasa tumekubaliana rais, wewe ukiwa nje mimi nakaa area. Na yeye akirudi na mimi nafanya nini? And there is no problem at all and there will be none. That is wishful thinking. And as the English say, if horses were wishes, beggars would do what? Wasahau. Hii serikali is a government that was gotten through prayer. It will be sustained by prayer. Prophets of doom, it doesn't matter what you do. You cannot create a wedge and a conflict in this government. We are persuaded that we have a job to do. We have a work to do for the people of Kenya. Tuko na kibarua kubwa. We have no time for side shows. Na mambo ya ujinga na mambo ambayo haina maana. Kwa hivyo wale tu muandike msome. Kitu moja mimi nakubaliana na Uhuru Kenyatta rais wetu. Alisema gazeti ni ya kufunga nyama. I agree with him 100%. So relax. Government is one. We are moving on well. The president is our leader. He is doing a good job. I am assisting him with the rest of cabinet and the country is moving in the right direction. Kwa hivyo mimi